Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Salishama here. It's slightly, I don't know, very light raining, but as I'm out, I just wanted to, have some practice with my M2 helicopter. A little bit flight, maybe a little bit 3D, but not too much. Just to have fun with the helicopter. There's lots of tall grass around. And it's slightly windy as well. So helicopter should actually have no problems to handle these winds. And I have a slight showers, very little showers of rain on my face. I have been practicing some little moves. Seems like today they're going to have a little bit trouble because of the wind, because I forgot to turn on winds when I was doing practice in simulators. Yeah, the wind actually throws it away, that side. Full power. Look, it goes really fast to that side, but really slow towards the stadium, towards the wind, obviously. My funnels in real life are really terrible. It has something to do with the wind as well, because as I mentioned, look at that, how much wind is this? In real flight simulator, I have to add wind as well. Don't go there, don't go there, my kids are there. Mild 3Ds is what I love. And if I lose control, I would simply just stop doing 3D. Tail lock is absolutely solid. stabilize mode kicks in immediately. A sweet auto leveling that even helicopter comes out of the, you know, inverted. That if you're inverted and you switch to stabilization mode, what happens? Let's see. Immediately helicopter switches to auto leveling. Man, that is going to be lifesaver. That is definitely going to be lifesaver. So here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video. I still have to try that auto rotation landing, which is definitely not possible because, which is definitely gonna go wrong because it's a tail motor. It's not tail moving with a, you know, mechanism like a belt or torque tube. Because once you turn off the throttle, tail will stop and the helicopter will go into rotations, and that will just simply ruin the auto rotation, I believe. But I'll give it a try someday later after I set it up the throttle cut.